When it's time to hit the road for your next camping trip, you want a brand known for reliability. Meet the Keystone Cougar, one of the top-selling RV brands in America. With over 25 years of experience, Cougar offers a wide range of high-quality travel trailers, half-ton fifth wheels, and premium full-profile fifth wheels. Let's take a tour of the Keystone Cougar and see why so many RVers are hooked. Enter through the fold-out Lippert solid step designed for easy entry that feels stable and secure. Once inside, you'll find yourself in the spacious living area. Every Cougar comes with an 84-inch high arch ceiling in the travel trailers with even more headroom in the fifth wheels. The 15,000 BTU Coleman Mott Quiet Series AC, equipped with the Blade Pure high performance system, cools the RV 20% faster. For the bigger travel trailers, you can choose to upgrade to an additional 13.5K BTU AC and or a 15K BTU ducted AC unit depending on the model. For bigger fifth wheels, there's also an optional second AC or even the powerful 18K BTU Furion Chill Cube in premium fifth wheels, giving you instant relief from the heat. What powers those beasts? 50 amp service is found on all fifth wheels in any travel trailer with a model code starting with 25 or larger, such as the 25 MLE or 30 BHS. But what about keeping you warm? Well, the in-floor heating ducts powered by the 30,000 BTU furnace will keep you toasty, while the durable Keystone HyperDeck flooring is great for repelling spills. Perfect if someone's prone to sloshing drinks. Premium fifth wheels utilize one-piece Dynaspan flooring for added durability. You'll also find that Keystone doesn't skimp on comfort. Every Cougar comes standard with a tri-fold sleeper sofa to provide extra space for guests. If you're like me, you may want to opt for heated and massaging theater seats. The dimmable ceiling lights and night roller shades add to the cozy vibe and ambiance. And if you ask me, I'm honestly thankful for the tall slide outs because nothing ruins a good night like hitting your head on the molding of a low slide out. Cougar has your entertainment covered. Enjoy an LED TV, the size will vary by model, but that'll be paired with a 12-volt multimedia system that plays everything from DVDs to Bluetooth and is equipped with a USB charging station. With the exclusive Keystone Key TV multi-source controller and WineGuard Air 360 plus omnidirectional rooftop antenna, you'll get great reception. And the Cougar kitchen features stylish driftwood decor and shaker-style hardwood cabinets and drawers. There's tons of space for all your snacks in the pantry in the 10 cubic foot, 12-volt fridge and travel trailers and half-ton fifth wheels, or the 16 cubic foot fridge and premium models has tons of room for all your ingredients. You'll also get a 21-inch Furion range with piezo igniter and a glass cover for additional prep space. They all come with a microwave, and in the premium line, they get a little bit bigger with a little more residential size. Now, all Cougars have seamless pressed countertops and a high-rise chef's faucet with sprayer for easy cleanup in the stainless steel undermount sink. At the end of the day, what you really need, though, is a comfy bed to get in. So you'll find a cozy queen or king bed with plenty of storage underneath in every Cougar. USB ports and outlets on both sides of the bed make it easy to change your devices, and for those with a CPAP, you're covered. As for the rest of the bedroom, you'll find a lot of storage space between the underbed storage. In fifth wheels, you can expect a full wardrobe slide or a spacious closet in the cap, and some models also come with a dresser, plus the premium fifth wheels come with washer and dryer prep. The bathroom is equally impressive, with a seamless pressed countertop, large sink, glass shower door, and plenty of headspace thanks to the skylight. It all makes this bathroom just feel very residential. Girard tankless water heater ensures you'll never have to rush through a shower. And if you're boondocking, however, you might want to limit your shower time, but every Cougar does come with a 55-gallon freshwater tank. There's also a foot flush porcelain toilet, towel racks, and medicine cabinets in most models. But my favorite part is the illuminated light switch, so you don't have to fumble around at night to find it. Outside, you can relax under the power awning and never miss a game day with the exterior TV hookup. On top of that, there's an exterior TV output so you can watch your favorite shows under the awning. Some fifth wheels even come with two awnings, and with LED lights and exterior speakers, you can set the perfect atmosphere, whether it's for a quiet evening or a lively gathering. The power tongue jack up front on travel trailers and the auto leveling on fifth wheels just makes setup an absolute breeze. Now, when it comes to towing, fifth wheels come with hitch vision for easy hookups and have Road Armor shock absorbing equalizer plus max turn technology for smoother towing. With the full pass-through storage with slam latch baggage doors, you honestly have enough storage to pack almost anything you want. And most models feature Goodyear Endurance tires on aluminum rims with Lippert TPMS, or tire pressure monitoring system, for added safety. For extra peace of mind, you'll also get a full-size spare, and the heavy-duty Dexter axle with self-adjusting anti-lock brakes is an incredible safety feature that few RVs have. In the back, you'll either see rear ladder prep, or in premium models, a rear ladder for easy roof access and reverse taillights for safer backing up. There's even a 2-inch hitch for accessories, or depending on the model, a towable hitch with a 4-pin connector, so you can bring your Sea-Doo or anything that's under 3,000 pounds. On the front off-camp side, you'll get a convenience center on the fifth wheels and larger travel trailers, which houses your water hookups, black tank flush, and an outside shower. Every Cougar is prepared for the road, but it's also designed to help you conserve energy. With options like the SolarFlex 220, 440i, or 660i-L, you can even opt for an inverter and Dragonfly lithium battery setup. A slide topper package is available as an option in travel trailers and half-ton fifth wheels, but is standard in the premium fifth wheels. You also get the option for dual-pane frameless windows and full body paint, or the sleek midnight exterior on the premium fifth wheels. Now, most Cougar models will come equipped with the Climate Guard Protection Package, which is perfect for year-round camping. It includes features like the in-command control system with Global Connect, a double insulated laminated rear wall, insulated slide floors, radiant foil barrier in the front cap, 2 roof vents to help release hot air, heated and enclosed polypropylene underbelly with heat ducts running adjacent to the water lines to prevent freezing, heated and enclosed convenience center, corrosion-resistant PEX plumbing, 12-volt electric pads on all holding tanks, and heated pass-through storage in the fifth wheels. This package ensures that your water lines stay warm and your RV is comfortable in any weather. Cougars are also built to last with a structural I-beam frame with stamped steel cross members and outriggers, HyperCore laminated sidewalls, and an Alpha Superflex roof membrane with a lifetime warranty lets you have some extra peace of mind. Keystone's exclusive TrueFit slide construction minimizes leaking and ensures color uniformity. Inside, you'll find the Keystone exclusive ToughLock thermoplastic duct joiners, ensuring a proper fit to prevent your AC from leaking. The Gigi Box is a 12-volt distribution center to streamline electrical input as well as prevent unwanted battery draw via the battery disconnect. And wires are also color-coded to help speed up the repair process as well as potentially thwart any electrical errors in said repairs. Finally, let's talk about towing. Cougar travel trailers range from 6,000 to 9,000 pounds in dry weight and 27 to 37 feet in length. Most of these Cougar travel trailers can be towed by a Ford F-150, Dodge Ram 1500, or Chevy Tahoe. Remember to factor in your total cargo weight. Now, Cougar half-ton fifth wheels are anywhere between 7,600 to 9,500 pounds and around 28 to 36 feet in length. You can still tow some of these fifth wheels with an F-150, a Ram 1500, or even a Toyota Tundra. However, if you're planning on towing with a half-ton truck, just be sure that you have the payload capacity to handle the fifth wheel fully loaded, plus passengers and all gear in the truck. The Cougar Premium full-profile fifth wheels are the largest, weighing 9,700 to 12,400 pounds and can be anywhere from 31 up to 39 feet. These bigger fifth wheels need to be pulled by bigger trucks, so you'll want to tow these with a 3/4 ton truck, like the Ford F-250, Chevy Silverado 2500, or Dodge Ram 2500. No matter what RV you get, check your towing capacity via the owner's manual or check it at your local Camping World when you tour a Keystone Cougar yourself.